Good morning, my dear students. Let's start with our school prayer. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as on in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sin as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Thank you. Let's start. Today's date is 19/4/2021 and day is Monday. Day is Monday. Let's start with the energizer. My God is so big, so mighty, so strong that nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big, he makes the flowers bloom, he makes the rivers flow, that nothing my God cannot do, that nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big, so mighty, so strong, that nothing my God cannot do. Clap your hands. Let's revise the previous lesson. What we have learned on Friday? This, 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 that, that, this, that, he, she. बॉयज को जब वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं बॉय के लिए हम ही यूज करते हैं ही शी एस एच ई शी आई 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 टी ओ टू टी ओ टू M Y my, M Y my, A N an, A N an, A, A, is. Let's go for today's sight word. Was, the, by, by, on, on, it, we, go, up, 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 in, me, and, us, so, you, do, be, if, has, at, no, are, have. So let's revise. What we have learned was the, by, on, we, go, it. Learn this one. Next. Up, in, me, and, us, so. Next. You, do, be, if, has, or, at, no, are, have. make this type of cards so that whenever you get time you can see and read them, so it will always remain in your mind. ऐसे कार्ड बनाओगे और रखोगे अपने पास। डिज़ाइनर कार्ड भी बना सकते हो, मैंने सिंपल वाला बनाया है, और ये हमेशा अपने पास रखोगे। जब जब भी टाइम मिले यू शुड वॉच देम, इसे सिर्फ देखना है और बोलना है। बाय द go we on it, this type of you can read them, it will be easier for you to recognize them। और ऐसे कार्ड्स बना के रखना अपने पास, याद रख के, क्योंकि दीज आर योर साइट वर्ड्स। साइट वर्ड्स को हमें देख कर पहचानना है। आई एन इन सोच सोच के बोलना नहीं है। जब भी ये लेटर्स को हम देखेंगे, ये वर्ड्स को हम देखेंगे, झट से पहचान जाएंगे। सो दीज आर योर साइट वर्ड्स, ऐसे बना के रखो। सो डाउनवर्ड लूप्स, दिस इज योर राइटिंग वर्क। स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, फ्रॉम बॉटम ब्लू लाइन, मूव टूवर्ड्स रेड top line, then come do a downward curve, then a upward curve, come to the red top line. As you have done the upward loops, do the downward loops same time. Just move your fingers, not your hand. Don't remove your pencil and go. Keep your notebook slightly sideward so that it can be easy for you, and do this one. Touch the lines, remember, don't forget, and leave it here where you have started. From the bottom blue line, stop at the bottom blue line. Now this one, same again, start from here, start from the bottom blue line, touch the red top line and go on by making downward and upward curve. In one page, you have to write these two things. Don't make two different pages. Write in one page. Practice it. Don't write and give it only to me. You have to practice it, because for cursive writing, you need these things. Start. Tomorrow I will give you strokes. Sorry, not tomorrow. Again, when we have our English class, I will give you the basic strokes for writing. You move your fingers, not your hand. This is your downward loops. Put the date, huh? Downward loops. This is your today's work. Fill the page. Thank you.